ప్రపంచంలోని తెలుగువారందరికీ నమస్కారం. రూపా కిడ్స్ స్మైలింగ్ ఛానల్కు స్వాగతం. ఈరోజు మీరు టైటిల్లో చదివినట్టుగా అసలు తులసి మొక్క మన ఐర్లాండ్లో ఎలా పెంచవచ్చు ఆ విషయం గురించి ఈరోజు మాట్లాడబోతున్నాను. అయితే ఇది కేవలం మన తెలుగువారు మాత్రమే కాకుండా భారతదేశంలో ఉన్న ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి, భారతదేశంలో ఉన్న ప్రతి ఆడవారికి అసలు తులసి మొక్క చూడంగానే బోల్డ్ అంత ప్రాణం లేసొస్తుంది కదండి. అందుకోసమే ఈరోజు వీడియోని నేను తెలుగులోను అలాగే ఇంగ్లీష్లో కూడా చెప్పబోతున్నాను. ఈ అమ్మాయి ఏంటి సడన్గా పాష్ అయిపోయిందా, ఇప్పుడు సడన్గా ఇంగ్లీష్ మాట్లాడుతున్నాను మాత్రం అనుకోకండి. ఇది కేవలం అందరికీ ఉపయోగపడాలని చేస్తున్న వీడియో కాబట్టి ఆ ఒక్క కారణం చేత ఇవాళ వీడియోలో నేను అప్పుడప్పుడు ఇంగ్లీష్ మాట్లాడడం జరుగుతుంది. క్లియర్గా చెప్పడం కోసం 2 లాంగ్వేజెస్లో చెప్తూ ఉంటానేమో, ఒకవేళ అలా చేస్తే నన్ను తప్పు పట్టద్దు. ఇక మనం ఈ మొక్కను ఎలా పెంచాలి ఐర్లాండ్లో అన్న విషయం గురించి మాట్లాడుకుందాం. నేను అసలు ఇది పెంచడం కష్టం కాకపోవచ్చు అండి, అండ్ ఇది కొత్తది కూడా కాకపోవచ్చు. కానీ మాలాగా ఐర్లాండ్లో కొత్తగా 3-4 ఏళ్ళ నుంచి వచ్చి ఫెయిల్యూర్స్ని ఫేస్ చేస్తూ, అంటే మొక్కని 2 నెలలు 3 నెలలు మించి చలికాలంలో ఎలా మెయింటైన్ చేయాలి అది చేయలేకపోయిన వాళ్ళు ఎక్కువ మంది ఉంటారు. కాబట్టి అందుకోసం ఈ వీడియో చేస్తున్నాను. అండ్ ఆ ఫెయిల్యూర్స్ని ఫేస్ చేసిన మొదటి వ్యక్తిని నేనే. దిస్ వెదర్ ఇస్ సో స్ట్రేంజ్ అండ్ డిఫరెంట్ ఈవెన్ when compared to US weather as well as the Indian weather and as well as even the UK weather, right? I wish even everyone can start growing it in Ireland. For that reason I'm doing this video in English as well. And with respect to the failures of growing this in winters, I have faced the last 3 years where I have been in Ireland. Every year I faced a problem in growing it for a long time. For the same reason, I would like to say the reasons for my failures after listening to the stories of all the beloved and very good generous people who have shared all their tips and experience with respect to growing this tulsi for years. Yes, exactly years. One of our beloved Indian have been growing it for more than 4 years. There have been many such beautiful ladies in Ireland who have been living here from years together, like more than 10 years, and have been growing the tulsi plant in a very healthy and prosperous manner. So today whatever tips and experience I'm going to share is all from the people in Ireland and for the people in Ireland. So I hope you all will make it useful. I personally have so many FAQs. And I have kept asking each and every person who have shared their pics with me, who have shared their tulsi plant pics with me. I have been questioning them lot questions, and they have lot of patience to answer me. Thanks for everyone. I really appreciate all of you for giving me this opportunity to share your pics. You are all inspiring us to grow this tulsi plant with a lot of positive strength. And this year this plant has not been grown by me. First of all, I need to say this. One of our very good Indian has done a charity work, and that's where I got this beautiful plant. I don't know whether I can say their name because I didn't ask before this video shoot for their permission, so I'm not able to say their name. But yes, if you really wish to have one tulsi plant like this, I would request you to put it on our Indian FB groups so that you can also get some Indian plant from your nearby Indians, because everyone are ready to share. Keep posting if you really wish to have this for the next Shravana Masa or the Kartika Masa, which we love to do the pujas for this beautiful tulsi plant, right? Someone will definitely respond to you and might share you this beautiful plant cuttings, either stems or even like root samplings. So let's start discussing about how to start seedling and what is the soil we needed. I'll start with the soil. So what I came to know from all their experiences, there might be slight differences in what they have been using, like even with the soil. I'm trying to give you a consolidated answers. I can say something like 80% of the answers, if they are unique, I'm trying to put the same for you. Okay, you might see in India, they might say that we need cow dung manure and little bit of sand and bit of garden soil to grow it in a proper and a healthy manner, and to see that the roots are very healthy for a longer time. But I'm just trying to say everything which is more specific to Ireland and which is more feasible in Ireland. So we can't get cow dung manure in Ireland, though it is very prosperous to grow this, and I don't know how can you get it. With your own experience, have an idea of how to get even the cow dung manure. Please place it in the comments of this video so that many can be benefited. With respect to the consolidated answer I have for this in Ireland is that for this we can use 3 parts of compost, any multi-purpose compost like this. this is far better enough, because even the 4 to 5 years healthy tulsi plant is being grown by using just this multi-purpose compost which we get in Lidl or Aldi. That's the first thing. So you can use 3 parts of compost and 1 part of garden soil. And more best way, if you are not able to have garden soil, is that you can just grow using this compost, it seems. So even I'm going to do the same thing, because the soil I have is almost done and I can't pick it now. So I'm also trying to replace it in a big pot. I'll speak about this pot size and all later. Now I think I'm very clear to all of you. So we can start growing this healthy tulsi plant using just compost or 3 parts of compost and 1 part of garden soil. If you have a possibility of getting sand, you can also use bit of sand, because that will also give a porous nature. Soil విషయంలో అయితే 3:1 రేషియోలో కంపోస్ట్ మన గార్డెన్ సాయిల్ యూజ్ చేసి చక్కగా పెంచుకోవచ్చు. లేకపోతే ఉట్టి కంపోస్ట్ ఉన్న ధైర్యం చేసి మీరు మొక్కని ఈజీగా పెంచుకోవచ్చు. ఇప్పుడు నేను చెప్పాలనుకుంటుంది పాట్ సైజ్. సో విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు పాట్ సైజ్, actually last year I have been growing in this pot. I'll be showing you the pics as well. 1.5 months until the Kartik Masa has been completed, my tulsi plant was very healthy and happy, and I have been growing in this. The problem is not the pot size, definitely, but still I was advised to go this time for a bit big pot rather than this size. I'm advised in such a way because once we start growing tulsi, we will not be ready to change it consistently, right? One pot to another pot, and the transplantation is not such easy. So I believe whatever suggestion was given to me is correct, but I don't have exactly bit bigger size of pot. So I'm trying to use this bin, and this is just a water bin which my husband used to use earlier when he was alone in Ireland. I thought I can perfectly use this for growing tulsi plant. And what I have done is I have cleansed it again completely, and then I have created 4 drain holes using a knife, where I heated the knife and I just placed some holes. You can see it clearly, right? I have created 5 holes, and what I'm going to do is, I don't want to completely close the drain holes, but I still wanted to place some stones. I've collected the stones from this mud, and I've taken 5 stones just to place on the top of it. And so now I'll fill the compost and continue the video. And I just tied it like this. I'll be sharing you all the pics where the beautiful ladies have been sharing with me. So when you see them, you can understand that even that size of pot will be sufficient for you to grow it for years. Okay? మీకు చూపించినట్టు ఎయిదర్ నేను వాడిన లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ ఈ సైజ్ అయినా సరిపోతుంది, లేకపోతే దీనికన్నా మధ్యలో సైజ్ ఏమైనా దొరికినా అది కూడా సరిపోతుంది. బిఫోర్ గోయింగ్ టు ద నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, యాక్చువల్లీ వాంటెడ్ టు సే యూ సంథింగ్. Since we are told by our grandparents or parents that if a plant is not going to stay healthy, especially tulsi, holy basil plant, right? So if this plant is not going to stay live or healthily, that something negative is going to happen to us. Please don't think too much of what's not in our hands. Just believe in a positive hope that if you're going to grow this holy basil in your home, that means you're trying to gain some positive energy in your home, right? This is having not only medicinal values, but it has a lot of positive energy if you start growing in your home. So just think about it and forget about other things and start growing with a positive note. We have spoken about soil and we have spoken about the pot size. Now we have to go about how to grow, like using the seedlings or with the stem cuts. First, let us think about seedlings. It is very easy to get the seedlings like I'm showing you in the picture. Yes, we can get it from India. There are many people who brought it from India in the same way in the form of seedlings and started growing in the month of March. Most of them have started growing in the month of March, and some of them which I'm showing you have been started growing just before the lockdown. So that summer time is very good. But the most important thing when you have started growing even the seedlings is that in Ireland, when you're trying, even when you see the hot summer in Ireland, please see that you are going to grow the seedlings inside the house, but not garden area. With respect to tulsi plant, this is very, very important. It's not like the other tomato plants. So if you have a proper sunlight that comes even through your kitchen window, that's far enough. But you don't try to bring your plant completely outside and start growing it. So that's what I came to know from all their experiences. That's what I'm trying to share you, and this is not my personal opinion. Start growing them inside your homes, and I'll just share you the pics how they grow from the seedling stage, which I've got from another Indian who are very generous to give me that. Within 1 month, you can see this sort of size. Definitely from the seedling stage itself, you have to maintain it in the indoor, and you cannot put it near your garden outside area, even though if you get tempted because of the hot summer that we see sometimes in Ireland. మీకు ఎంత ఎండ కనిపించిందన్నా సరే ఖచ్చితంగా నా మాట గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, బయట పెట్టద్దంటండి. ఎందుకంటే చాలామంది చాలా ట్రయల్స్ వేశారు కాబట్టి వాళ్ళ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ వాళ్ళు చెప్పిన ట్రయల్స్లో అసలు బయట పెడితే దాని గ్రోత్ వేరుగానే ఉంది. సో అదే కొంచెం ఇలా విండోసిల్ ఏరియాస్ మీకు పిక్చర్స్లో చూపిస్తున్నాను చూడండి. అందరూ కూడా వాళ్ళ విండోస్ దగ్గరలో లైటింగ్ పడే దగ్గర ఎయిదర్ మార్నింగ్ sunlight or the evening sunlight is hardly sufficient enough for you to grow in this beautiful summer from the seedling stage. Stem cuts ద్వారా కూడా మనకి తులసి మొక్క పెరుగుతుంది. Yes, using the stem cuts also we can easily grow a healthy tulsi plant. But I don't have personal experiences who have been growing it in Ireland. So still, though it is possible, I don't suggest it here in Ireland because I don't have the personal experiences with respect to stem cuts. I'll make that trial personally in Ireland and will share that experience with you. That is what I want to tell you about the way we have to grow the seedlings. I failed to say about something called what quality compost you need to use. As I already said, Lidl compost is helping you to grow it better. Some people still suggest quality compost that we get from garden centers. So you can still try with them, or if you're not getting it, I still suggest you to go with the Lidl one, which is quite cheap, and the 4 to 5 years healthy plant is growing with this just the Lidl compost. So that's a good news for us as a new learners. If we are trying to grow for the first time or second time, or even after some failures of how to grow it. What we wanted to know is best season to start the seedling. We start gardening in Ireland generally in the month of March. So similarly, this time the summer is quite good enough. So this is the best season for you to start growing a tulsi plant, because the winters we can't support them with a proper heat generation inside the home itself. If they are already grown in this size, we can still try to maintain them in the winters. How many years that such tulsi plants will survive is a beautiful question you might have. In my mind, I thought it would survive for hardly 3 or 4 months. This is what the inception I have in my mind. Everything went off when I listened to the person who came to give this beautiful plant, saying that there are people who have been growing for more than 4 to 5 years. Immediately I started posting it in Indian Gardeners in Ireland Facebook page, as well as in some of the groups where the ladies have really shared their tulsi plant pics. Yes, one of them told that they have been growing it for 4 years. That made me to feel good. Next question we have is how to make it bushy and healthy. As you're seeing in the pics, the 4 to 5 years plant, from their personal experience, they have been saying that once the plant starts growing like this, start pruning it every 2 weeks so that it will grow healthily and happily. Once you see seedling on the top of the plant, you start even pinching. You can start pruning that particular place all the time so that the new leaves will arise and new stems will arise, so that it will start growing easily and healthily and happily. If you don't want to touch because you started praying for it, if you have such concepts in your mind, yes, you can still grow, because there are people who have been not at all touching the plant and leaving it as it is and as it grows. They have also been successful. You need not touch the plant. You just need to water it properly. Next question is about how to water it. Let us speak about watering. Definitely, once we start seeing a plant in our home, we start watering it. And tulsi plant is one which requires very less watering. That means, though it grows on a daily basis, a tulsi plant needs exactly 1 rice cup of water. అంతకు మించి అసలు పోయేద్దటండి. ఇక్కడైతే మనకు ఉండకపోవచ్చు, కానీ ఇండియాలో అయితే ఎవరైనా ఎంతమంది ఇంట్లో పూజ చేస్తే అంతమంది వాటర్ పోసే ఆలోచన కూడా ఉంటుంది. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ వాట్ వీ గెట్ ఇన్ అవర్ మైండ్ ఇస్ వాట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ plant food or plant feed that we need to give to this tulsi plant. So from all their experiences I came to know that first of all you need not give any plant food if you are really are scared to give, or if you really want to have an organic plant to grow like this and you don't want to touch it. Yes, you need not touch it, still it will grow healthily and happily. From some of their experiences what they have been doing, I'm trying to tell you, is that still use plant food just a little bit monthly once. If you want to give a plant food you can give that. Otherwise, particular indoor liquid fertilizer, whatever you can call it, you can give it in a very diluted manner. So if you take 1 cup maybe in 1 liter of water, you can give it similar way monthly once, but try to see that you're not going to touch most of the times the plant. And even in our Indian tradition we are not supposed to touch the plant all the time, right? Even the evenings we should not touch. Probably they are all given for the sake of the healthy growth of the plants. If you have windows if you wish to open them, it's better you keep a little bit far away from that place. We are first time and learners, so let us not try to give any cold breeze to this tulsi plants. Can we put the agarbatti inside the pot when we are doing the puja? So this is what I came to know. Because of the strong chemical smells now, navaratna smells which we have in those new agarbattis what we are getting into our homes, are causing an issue for the leaves to dry off. So that's the reason the plant might not have been stable for most of us, though we are trying to grow it inside the home. tippaddanatledandi. I mean, when you want to do that, just do the puja and keep it far away again. Just don't try to put it inside the pot. That's what they have been trying to say me, so just follow that. Okay, important doubt we get is that how to grow this, how to leave this plant when we are going to India. Most of the plants have not been growing healthily only for the reason that there is no one to care for them during the time we go to India or the time we try to leave for a long trip for more than 1 month. So definitely tulsi plant is not a plant that we can care after some weeks and we can come back and look at it. So it's very important that when you're trying to grow a tulsi plant, definitely someone needs to care for it. You see that this beautiful holy basil plant is being watered by one of your close friends during the trip's time. That's where we need to be very, very, very cautious, especially watering just 1 rice cup of water every day. Just give the caution to your own best beloved friends, and might be your keys, or you just give away this plant. See that this holy basil plant is living long for years. So these are the beautiful collective tips which I got for completely for the people in Ireland. Inkoka vishayam andoy. One more thing I really wanted to say is, if you see this stem is really looking green in color, right? So this is called Lakshmi Tulasi, as most of you might know. And the one which I'm showing you in the pic is a red color stem Tulasi, which means it is a Krishna Tulasi. Sometimes we feel like to have Krishna Tulasi and Lakshmi Tulasi together in single pot. Even that is possible here. So it might be Krishna Tulasi or Lakshmi Tulasi, or there are even other Tulasis. So you just bring all types of seedlings when you go to India. Yes, in Ireland, any type of Tulasi will be growing. That's what we can be assured from the pics. So once again, thank you for the pics. If you go to any home in India, we get easily the seedlings from on the top of the plant, right? So there is no worry about it. Forget about this, because even I forgot last time. So this time, if I go to India, definitely I'm going to bring some seedlings for the next year, for the next summer. If you're a busy woman and if you're not able to grow a holy basil plant in your home, since I've been failing from the last 2 years to grow it properly, even I was suggested by my friend Harita to get a plant like this, which I'm showing you in the image, to put it in the puja room. Maybe most of you might have been knowing it. If you're a busy woman, or if you're working and you're more worried about how this plant sustains when you leave the home, I really, really suggest you as a final option to go for plant yourself, to buy such beautiful golden tulsi plant. If you also have such things, you know, I'll share in your comments. It was a really best option. Even I felt good. I came to know it only when I came to Ireland. So if someone really don't know like me that we can use something like that in our puja room, just go for it. This type of things are available in all the gold shops in and around India. మొక్కను పెంచలేకపోతున్నాను అసలు బాధపడద్దు, నిజంగానే అదొక బెస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ అండి. నేను కూడా 2 ఏళ్ళ నుంచి పెంచుతూ సరిగ్గా పెంచలేకపోయాను కదా, అందుకే హరిత గారు మాకు చెప్పంగానే ఫస్ట్ నేను అది తీసుకొని వచ్చాను ఇండియా నుంచి వచ్చేటప్పుడు. కానీ నాకు ఏదైనా చిన్నగా ఉండాలి, అందుకే చాలా చిన్నది తెచ్చాను. ట్రై టు ఫాలో ఆల్ దీస్ స్టెప్స్ ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ ఇన్ ఐర్లాండ్. జస్ట్ ఫర్గివ్ మీ ఇఫ్ దెర్ ఆర్ ఎనీ మిస్టేక్స్ ఇన్ ద వే ఐఎమ్ ట్రైంగ్ టు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ అబౌట్ దిస్. సో అదండి వాళ్ళ కబుర్లు. వర్షంలో పాపం తులసమ్మ అయితే తడిచిపోతుంది, ఇంకెళ్ళిపోవాలి. యాక్చువల్గా ఇప్పటిదాకా నేను ఏం మాట్లాడినా, బయట కూర్చుని వీడియోస్ చేసినా ఇక్కడ ఎవరికి అర్థం కాదు, అందుకే ఏదో పిచ్చిదే ఏం చేసుకుంటుందో అని అనుకునేవారు. ఇప్పుడు మాత్రం ఇవాళ ఫస్ట్ టైం ఏదో ఇంగ్లీష్లో మాట్లాడా కదా, వెళ్ళే వాళ్ళకి వచ్చే వాళ్ళకి ఇది ఈ పాప ఏం చేస్తుందో వాళ్ళు కొంచెం అర్థమైనట్టుంది. ఇలా బయట సెటప్ వేసుకుని కూర్చుంటే మా పక్కింటి వాళ్ళకి ఇదే డౌట్ వచ్చింది. వాళ్ళు వేరే ఏ దేశం వాళ్ళో నాకు తెలియదు, వాళ్ళకు కూడా ఇదే డౌట్ వచ్చింది, నువ్వేమైనా చదువు చెప్తున్నావా జనాలకి అని అడిగారు. అంత లేదండి, ఏదో మా వాళ్ళకి నేను నా ముచ్చట్లేవో మాట్లాడుకుంటున్నాను అని చెప్పా. ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ doing a lot of gardening and if you have been here for long years, I really request you personally that please and kindly share your beautiful garden videos in your own YouTube channels, or please to share your beautiful garden videos and tips with me. I'm ready to share on behalf of you and inspire everyone to do a beautiful gardening in Ireland. If you can share your videos and tips, I'm really happy to share on behalf of you to this beautiful Ireland, and let us make our Indian gardeners also more knowledgeable, because people like me have been really working hard without knowing any basics of gardening, and started doing all the things after coming to Ireland itself. So knowing this weather, knowing properly what exactly that we can grow in Ireland is what I really need to know. So please try to help me all as well. I recently started Indian Gardeners in Ireland on Facebook page. You're also a gardener, please do come and join private Facebook group for our Indians, and do suggest all your tips, photographs in that page as well. We'll enjoy the beautiful greenery of Ireland. That I'm a newcomer in Ireland, just 3 years old, so I don't know many of the things and I'm trying to learn, but still I want to share all the information which I have been learning from all the lovable people like you. Thanks a lot, and especially for this video I have to thank many people. Special thanks for all the people who have shared their pics. I have a huge respect for all of you. Hope this video is very useful to all of you. కొంచెం పడతా ఉన్నాయండి, అందుకే ఇలా ఉంది అట్మాస్ఫియర్. ఇంకా నేను ఇక్కడ ఉంచితే ఇవి నన్ను తిట్టేటట్టున్నారు, నువ్వు ఇందుకైనా తెచ్చావు, ఇందాంచి నన్ను ఈ చల్ల బ్రీజ్లో ఉంచొద్దు అని అందరికీ చెప్పి ఇందాంచి నన్ను తడిపేస్తున్నావు అని ఆమె తిట్టుకుంటున్నారేమో, క్షమించమ్మా. ఇప్పుడు లోపలికి వెళ్ళిపోతాం. సో రియలీ like the informational videos from my channel, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. But beyond this, try to grow a healthy holy basil in your home as well, and I hope I'll come with a very beautiful video further very soon. And enta kottaga undo. Anyways, malli manchi video మీ ముందుకు వచ్చేస్తాను. అంతవరకు సెలవు. ఇవాళ నన్ను భరించినందుకు చాలా థ్యాంక్స్. నమస్తే.